Absolutely. So this time last year, it was announced that we won the modular handgun contract for the US Army, and that is this gun right here, the M17, based on our 320. So you have a manual safety, coyote colored controls, an Army spec optic ready gun, night sights right from the factory, 17 round capacity. The Army gun also comes with 21 round magazines. The other thing I wanted to show you folks, because everyone's been asking, everyone asks us, when are we going to see the commercial M17? When can I buy the commercial version of the Army gun? And that's why we have these two guns to show you today. So we have two options with this. This one is going to be the closest to what the Army's carrying. The only difference you're really going to see is the black controls. It still has the same Army spec optic cut, so this removable night sight plate can be taken off and you can add an optic of your choice. Night sights from the factory, 17 round magazines, manual safety. And then for you folks that aren't a big fan of the manual safety, I know I personally prefer not to carry with a manual safety, we're going to offer it without as well. So there is a second version of this gun that the Army spec'd out as well. So the primary version is this full-length M17. The Army also has the M18 where it's cut down to a compact length, but it's still the same full carry length grip. So it'll still be a 17 round capacity with a 21 extended round magazine.
Weapons Training Battalion's mission is to serve as the doctrinal proponent for marksmanship for the Marine Corps. That includes training and materiel. We're introducing the new modular handgun system, which is based on the Sig Sauer P320 system. The two variants are the M17 and the M18, a slightly smaller variant which is more concealable but just as effective. The key characteristics of the modular handgun system are number one, the ergonomics. The grip module itself comes in 3 different sizes, small, medium, and large. So this gives us the ability to fit the gun to the shooter rather than forcing the shooter to fit the gun. The modular handgun also has 5 safeties inherent to it. 4 of the safeties are internal, with 1 being external. The external safety is itself ambidextrous, so a right-handed or left-handed shooter will have equal ease in operating this weapon system. The ambidextrous nature of this gun is also true for the slide lock. Slide lock lever, which allows a shooter who's right-handed or left-handed to take a look, ensure that the chamber is clear with ease, both right-handed or left-handed.